All right, all grip paint job. Let's just jump right into it. I've got the bottom all taped off already. We painted that yesterday. Still got good weather conditions, so we're gonna go ahead and knock the sides out too. This top half, I'm gonna work this all the way down, then I'll come back down the middle. They're ready to go, so I'm gonna give it one last little shot of air, just to make sure no little dust bunnies got on there while I was gone. We're gonna get to work. Okay, there's 2 coats. It's looking really good, but I've got just a few places where it's bleeding through a little teeny bit, and I'm gonna have to go for a 3rd coat. I hate to do it, because you know, it just seems like you're pressing your luck every time you gotta put another coat on there.